Hello, what is up guys? I am your host Gordon and welcome to another unboxing video and the first look of the first generation Marshall Killburn speaker. So without further ado, let us move on to the unboxing. As we can see, the box itself is pretty self-explanatory. All the information that you need is over in this side, and yep, basically that's it. Let's go for the unboxing. So right off the bat, as we can see, we are greeted with a really high class, really high standard packaging over here. As you can see, there is a instruction book which is about as thick as a dictionary. Come on, look at that. What kind of product actually provide you like a really high quality, like dictionary thick instruction book over here? And then over here we got our power cable, pretty simple. And then look at this. This is probably one of the nicest looking 3.5mm aux cable by far. Look at this super vintage telephone line. This is one of the reasons that why I like products from Marshall. They actually try to keep the vintage design language of, you know, all the Marshall brands. And inside here we got our speaker, which is protected by a really good looking Marshall dust cover. I mean, come on man, this thing is so heavy. Wow. This is interesting. Oh man, this is heavy. Overall, the speaker feels really nice to the touch and instantly you feel quality. This is super heavy for its size. I'm no joking. If you try to take this thing and walk around for a little too long, you might feel tired. If you take a look at this, this is one of the main reasons why I wanted the first generation Killburn. It's because of the on-off switch. The on-off switch actually brings the vintageness of Marshall guitar amplifier back in the days, which is probably to me the most important piece for the Marshall speaker. I really hope that they will bring back this button, this knob here in the next speaker in the future. And then right beside there we got the pairing button if you're using Bluetooth, so you can actually click on this button and then you can pair it with your phone. And then we have the source switching button over here, so just in case you're in Bluetooth mode, let's say if you press one time it goes Bluetooth mode. Let's turn on the speaker. It goes Bluetooth mode right here. I see red blinking light. So let's say if you want to use this 3.5mm jack over here, just click another time and there goes, your input jack is activated. So the knob over here controls the treble, and then the knob over here controls the bass, and then the knob over here controls the volume. That's it. So at the back of the speaker, as you can see, this is where you plug in your power cable, and this is where you're gonna charge your speaker over here. So basically this speaker, one full charge will last you about 20 hours, which is more than enough. The other most important thing is of course the sound qualities, and we are about to test it out right now. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The bass is really deep in this one. Whoa! these guys really know how to make good speakers. The bass is like super punchy, the trebles are super crisp and clear, and my god, the volume. This thing packs a punch. I mean, this thing can go pretty loud, and this is generally one of the best Bluetooth speaker that I've ever owned in my entire life so far. Okay guys, that is all today. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to ring the notification bell button for more video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Adios guys!